Welcome to our English class. Like and subscribe. Welcome, students. This is Teacher Grace. Let's get started. Our lesson for today is Theme 7, Colors, Lesson 3, Phonics time. Take out your student's book and open it on pages 70 to 71. Let's sing the alphabet song first before we study the three letters for today.
The alphabet song, the alphabet song. Let's sing the alphabet song. A, B, C. A, B, C. D, E, F. D, E, F. G, H, I. G, H, I. J, K, L. J, K, L. M, N, O. M, N, O. P, Q, R. P, Q, R. S, T. S, T. U, V. U, V. W. W. X, Y, Z. Yeah, yeah. X, Y, Z. That's fun. Let's sing it again. Ready, set, go. A, B, C. A, B, C. D, E, F. D, E, F. G, H, I. G, H, I. J, K, L. J, K, L. M, N, O. M, N, O. P, Q, R. P, Q, R. S, T. S, T. U, V. U, V. W. W. X, Y, Z. Yeah, yeah. X, Y, Z. The alphabet song, the alphabet song. I love the alphabet song.
The first letter for today is letter T. Do you know the sound of letter T? If you know, very good. If you don't know, listen very carefully, okay? Page 70.
Letter T. 1. Listen and repeat.
T.
2. Listen and repeat. Trace the letters.
T. T. Tiger. T. T. 10. T. T. Tall.
All right, in number 3, we're going to listen and sing along about the letter T song. It says there, I can see a tiger. So while we sing, we are doing like a tiger. Okay? Are you ready? Let's do it together.
I can see a tiger. Tiger. I can see a tiger. I can see a tiger. Tiger. I can see a tiger.
All right, let's go to number 4. Let's listen and play. You're going to do the same thing as Teacher Grace, okay?
4. Listen and play.
Clap when you hear the t sound.
1.
S, I, G,
2,
T, T, P, Z, T, T, E, I, Q, T,
3,
Z, T, S, T, S, R, T, T, H, F, T, T, T.
Yay! Very good. Did you do it with me? Wonderful. Letter U.
letter U. 1. Listen and repeat.
A, A, A,
2. Listen and repeat. Trace the letters.
A, A, under, A, A, umbrella, A, A, up,
All right, let's go to number 3. Let's listen and sing along the letter U sound with this action. Look at the lady there. We're going to jump up like this. Okay? Let's do it together.
I can jump up. Up. I can jump up. I can jump up. Up. I can jump up.
Okay, number 4, we're going to listen and play. Listen very carefully.
4. Listen and play.
hop when you hear the sound.
1,
A, T, A, A, R,
2,
A, T, I, Q,
3,
G, Z,
Very good. The last letter is letter V. Listen carefully.
letter V. 1. Listen and repeat.
V, V, V,
2. Listen and repeat. Trace the letters.
V, V, violin, V, V, van, V, V, volcano.
Okay, our last song for today is about letter V. We will sing the song about letter V like playing a violin as well. Okay? Ready? Go!
I have a violin. Violin. I have a violin. I have a violin. Violin. I have a violin.
Alright, clap your hands! Let's do together the last game in this lesson. Are you ready? Let's do it.
4. Listen and play.
Jump when you hear the sound.
1,
I, A,
2,
A, G, Z, E, R,
3,
Z, A, J,
Yay! Did you do it together with me? Great! It's review time! We are now on page 71. Okay, let's do this together. Did you remember all the sounds of the letters? Great! Letter A. Circle the odd one out. Odd one means the different one. Okay? So number 1. Violin, tiger, van. Which one is the odd one? Okay, circle it. Number 2. Up, umbrella, 10. Circle the odd one. Letter B. Write the correct beginning sounds. Number 1. What is it? Look at this. Under. Uh, what letter is it? Write it on the line. Number 2. Volcano. What letter is it? Number 3. Tall. Tall. What letter is it? Write it here. And letter C. Put a tick or a cross in the box. Number 1. Umbrella. Is it a tick or cross? Are the sounds the same? One more time. Tick or cross? Number 2. Up. Tick or cross? Number 3. Van. Tick or cross? It's workbook time! Yay! Open your workbook on pages 66 to 67. Letter A, trace the letters. So you're going to trace the big letters, T-U-V, and the small letters, T-U-V. Make it beautiful, okay? Letter B, trace the letters and draw lines. Look at the example. This is letter T, but it's big letter, right? And then find the object or the picture that begins with T sound. So here it is, the tiger. Boom! And find also the small letter. Boom! And then trace it also. So number 2 to number 3, do it yourself. Page 67, letter C. Color the correct beginning sounds. Example, what is this? It's under. So color the letter U. This is an example for you. What about number 2? What's this? What's the beginning sound of a tiger? Color it yourself. Number 3, what's this? It's a violin. Color the correct beginning sound. And lastly, letter D, page 67. Look and tick the correct sounds. Example, number 1, tiger. T, The correct sound is T. So tick letter T. Number 2, look at this. T, What's the correct beginning sound? Tick the box. Number 3, violin. T, What's the correct sound? Tick the box. And we're done with our phonics lesson for today. I hope you enjoy everything that we did in this lesson. And remember, enjoy learning because English is fun. See you next time. Goodbye.